Hello, hello, beautiful people. Just want to give you guys a quick little overview for April 6th. That's Monday. We do have our math time from 12 to 3, so I want to give you an overview of what we're going to be doing on that day. First thing I want you to do, please, is to take attendance using this assignment. Just mark yourself as here or present, whichever you prefer. And then if you can stop by the Zoom room at noon, it would be great to see you guys and say happy birthday to our twins, actually triplets, because they share birthday with me on April 5th. And then also Haley, because her birthday is on Tuesday. What else do you guys need to know? I miss you guys a lot. So it would be great to see you guys at 12 o'clock for that Zoom meeting. The link is there. And then also, our little bit of business to take care of. We'll complete the 9.3 to 9.4 book assignment. It should take 30 minutes, maybe. Some of you guys have already done it. If you did, that's beautiful. Good for you. That's going to be due on Monday. You can submit it right here on this form. There's not going to be Google Slides or anything this time. And then after you do the classwork, I'm going to have you take notes on 9.6, which is the quadratic formula, and pretty user-friendly for most folks as well. That's about it for Monday. I hope to see you guys because I do miss you tremendously. I hope that you have a great and wonderful. Thanks, guys.